So I wanted to come on here real quick and let you guys know what Richmont means to me. If I had to give Richmont one word to express what it means and what it's done in my life, it would be transformation. Richmont accepted me from day one. Not only did they let me in, but they truly accepted who I was, all of who I was, and transformed the way that I view my relationship with God, the way that I view my relationship with myself, and the way that I view my relationship with others. And they created, they just created so much transformation within my heart that I truly believe flows over into the work that I do with clients. So Richmont to me is transformation all the way. And I hope if you ever get in touch with anyone who's been to Richmont, or if you are a part of Richmont at all, I hope that you experience that transformative work that Richmont played in my life.